we will use now crop ET, we will click on that, to generate weather data. Imagine that we want, for instance, to work in Angola. Select country, and then within Angola we have these different weather stations. Let's get Lobito, and now we can produce different number of years that we can change here, and we can apply a change in temperature as compared to actual conditions by putting more degrees if you put a positive value, or reducing the temperature by putting a negative value. Let's stick to the actual values. We can change the rainfall as a percentage of the actual value. If we keep this at 0, this and this, the means will be preserved. Click on Generate Daily Weather Data, and then the program will tell us that the file Lobito Gene CSV is added to folder Weather. Click on Accept. If we go to Calculate ET, here we will always see what are the files included in the folder Weather. In this case, this is the file corresponding to Lobito in Angola. We see that the latitude is negative, the altitude is close to sea level. Now, if we go to here, we can open this value Lobito Gene CSV, and the file includes the year. These are just dummy values for the year. They are all numbers starting the year 2001. Day of year. These are the values of solar radiation, maximum and minimum temperature, rainfall, wind speed, and vapor pressure. And this is for 30 years of daily data. These have been generated using the program ClimateGen.